Okay, let's do a quick revision on reflection of light. Okay, so looking at your notes, right? So and this is not a very difficult subtopic. So you know this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray, and this is the normal. Okay, just always remember that the normal is perpendicular to the surface. So if you have the surface here, this is the normal. Okay, and then of course be also aware of your angle of incidence. Just take note that the angle of incidence always measure for normal, and angle of reflection also measure for normal. And I'm sure you can remember that the laws of reflection, the most important law, that this angle is equal to this angle. So if this is 60 degrees, this will be 60 degrees. So likewise, whatever surface you are given, draw the normal first. It's always a good habit to draw your normal and then draw the rays and make sure you get correct angles for angle incidence, angle reflection. Okay, don't measure from the surface but always from the normal. Okay, so then you have definition of normal. What is a normal? Okay, take note of this. Laws of reflection. Okay, it won't actually ask you to state the laws of reflection, but well, you need to know it still. Okay, then this part, okay, go and revise yourself. What's regular reflection? What's diffuse reflection? Okay, when the light rays, reflected light rays are scattered in all directions. Okay, then comes to the characteristics. Okay, the characteristics, there are quite a few. Okay, you need to remember them. Most of them are commonsensical. Just want to go through virtual. Remember, when you say virtual, don't write them. It is not real. Say virtual cannot be captured on a screen. All right, whereas real can be captured on screen. And then you want to write the distance of the object distance from the mirror is equal to the image distance to the mirror. You can say that, but you got to write in full again. Okay, don't just say image distance equals object distance. Often students leave out the word from the mirror, from the mirror. So take note of this. You need to know the characteristics. Okay, then the main focus for reflection would be the drawing of ray diagrams. Right, so when drawing of ray diagrams, first thing you should do is always to get the image first. Right, so you take a ruler, measure perpendicular distance equals object perpendicular distance mirror equals the perpendicular distance image to mirror. Measure it, find the image, then from there draw the lines towards the eyes. Okay, so you're like working backwards. You get an image, and you draw this light rays, then after that you complete this. Okay, just to always remember, always remember, label your image, the arrows, object to eye, and also where are your dotted lines. Okay, dotted lines in the mirror, right? Because you don't actually have light rays going into the mirror, so these appear as if it's coming from the mirror. So these are dotted lines, remember that. Okay, so also if you are given an object that looks like outside the mirror, don't think that you cannot get an image. Okay, you just have to extend this line. Okay, measure a distance again, and then subsequently follow the same procedure. Right? And then if you are given something else, not like just a point as an object, but a letter F, okay, read the question carefully. When they say light rays from the bottom of F, or whether it's from the top or the bottom, okay, you just follow likewise. So again, what you should do, measure it. Okay, measure how far the bottom is to the mirror. Okay, and try to do it as accurately as possible. Right? So the F would be here. This is the bottom. Then the top, I measure from here to here is about 4.7. So measure about 4.7. Okay, so I'm doing this rather quickly. So of course, if you are given in a test exam, you got to do it more accurately and slower. Okay, so remember, okay, it appears laterally inverted. Then what happens? Draw your light rays. Okay, from here, okay, to the bottom of the eye, then to the top of the eye. Okay, and then subsequently you complete the light rays. I think you should be able to do that yourself. Okay, so it's good to go and practice. More questions on reflection. Okay, different types of questions you will see about this subtopic.